Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about illustrating and arranging rational numbers. This is the part 3 and the last part of our topic. This is about comparing rational numbers. So for number 1, we have here 2 over 5 and 3 over 7. So how are we going to compare these numbers? So this is what we are going to do. For our solution, kindly write the given, which is 2 over 5 and 3 over 7. And then after that, let's do some cross multiplication. So that is 2 times 7, that's 14. Write 14 here. And then 5 times 3, that's 15. So meaning 15 is bigger than 14. So it means that 3 over 7 is greater than 2 over 5. So if we are going to compare them, it will become 2 over 5 is less than 3 over 7. At the same time, we can state that 3 over 7 is greater than 2 over 5. Just be careful in using the symbol less than or greater than. This symbol is for less than, this symbol is for greater than. Always remember that this symbol faces the bigger number, always, so that you will not be confused. So that's why it faces 3 over 7 always, because 3 over 7 is the bigger number here in our fractions. Next, let's have another number. The process is just the same. Number 2, 1 over 6 and 4 over 9. So for your solution, just write the given, which is 1 over 6 and 4 over 9. And then just multiply 1 and 9, so that's 9. And then multiply 6 and 4, that is 24. Then compare which is bigger, 9 or 24. In this case, the bigger number is 24. So therefore, 4 over 9 is the bigger fraction. So we can state that 1 over 6 is less than 4 over 9. At the same time, we can say that 4 over 9 is greater than 1 over 6. Again, be careful with the use of less than and greater than. Let's have another. For number 3, we have here 11 over 20 and 7 over 13. So for your solution, same process, please write 11 over 20 and 7 over 13. And then multiply 11 and 13. And that is 143. So write 143 here. And then now you have to multiply 20 and 7. And that is 140. Kindly compare which is bigger. Is it 143 or 140? So the bigger number here is 143. So therefore, we can say that 11 over 20 is greater than 7 over 13. If we are going to put that into symbol, then it will become 11 over 20 is greater than 7 over 13. At the same time, we can say that 7 over 13 is less than 11 over 20. So that is for comparing rational numbers. Next, let us have comparing and ordering fractions. we have the ascending and descending order of fractions. Ascending order meaning it is from least to greatest. So let's have the ascending order here. And then we also have here the descending order. Descending order means it is from greatest to least. So as you can see here, our denominators are the same. It is all 10 for number 1. So therefore, what you are going to do to compare and order these fractions is to compare the numerators only, since this is similar fractions. For ascending order, please choose first the least number. So that is 2. So we have here 2 over 10. Next, after 2, we have here 3. So that is 3 over 10. Next, after 3, we have here 5. So we will write 5 over 10. And for the greatest number among them, so that is 7 over 10. So this is the descending order from least to greatest for similar fractions. For descending order, we have to have the greatest number first before the least number. So the greatest number is 7 over 10. Next to it is 5 over 10. Next to 5 over 10 is 3 over 10. And then we have here 2 over 10. Next, let us have the ascending order and descending order for number 2. Again, ascending order means from least to greatest. And as you can see for number 2, we still have similar fractions because the denominators are the same. Therefore, what we are going to compare here is the numerator only. So the least number that we have here is 9 over 10. And then after 9, we have here 11. So just write 11. It is 9 over 33, rather. And then we have here 11 over 33. And then we have here 14 over 33. And then we have here 27 over 33. Don't forget to start with the least number. So that is for descending order, ascending order. So now let us have the descending order for number 2. For the descending order, you have to start from greatest to least. So the greatest number that we have here is 27. So write 27 over 33. And then we have here 14. So that is 14 over 33. And then we have here 11. So that is 11 over 33. And then we have here 9. So we have here 9 over 33. So this is the descending order, meaning greatest to least. So that is how you are going to compare fractions which has the same denominators. So in short, this is how you are going to compare similar fractions. Just compare the numerator and then copy the denominator. Next, we have here the similar fractions, meaning the denominators are not the same. So we have to get first the LCD of the given. So focus on the LCD or the denominators. So we have here 2, 6, 5, and 9. We are going to use now the ladder method. So just think of a prime number that can divide 2, 6, 5, or 9. Let's use 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 5 divided by 2 cannot be because there's a remainder. So therefore, you are just going to copy 5. 9 divided by 2, that is not possible also because it will produce a remainder. So just copy 9. Next, if it is 1, then we will leave it alone. So we will focus on 3, 5, and 9. Let's use 3 because 3 is a prime number also. So just bring down 1 because 1 is not a composite nor a prime number. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 5 divided by 3 cannot be because there's a remainder for dividing them. So that is 5. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Our goal here is to have 1 here in our ladders. So we have here 5 and 3. So we have here 5. We can use 5 because 5 is a prime number. So bring down 1, 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 3 divided by 5 is not possible. So please bring down 3. And think of a prime number that can divide 3. We can use 3 because 3 itself is a prime number. So 1, 1, 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we will stop here because we already reached our goal to have 1 here at the last of our ladder. So what you are going to do now to get the LCD is to multiply all of these prime numbers that we get. So 2 times 3 times 5 times 3. 2 times 3, that's 6. Times 5, that's 30. Times 3, that's 90. So the LCD here is 90. So what are we going to do here? You have to write the given vertically. So we have here 1/2, 2 over 6, 4 over 5, and 7 over 9. Then write an equal sign and then write the LCD in your new denominator. So that's 90, 90, 90, 90. So the goal here is to make these fractions a similar fraction. So let's divide. 90 divided by 2, that's 45 times 1. So that's 45. That is our new numerator now. Same process applied. 90 divided by 6, that is 15 times 2. That's 30. Right? 30 here. So 90 divided by 5, that's 18 times 4. That's 72. Right? 72 here. Then divide this. 90 divided by 9, that's 10 times 7, that's 70. Now, we may arrange the following fractions. This one. In ascending and descending order. For ascending order, let's write A here. And then let's choose the least number. So that is 30, this one. I will write or choose another color. So this one. So that is 30 over 90. And then after that, that's 45. So we have here 45 over 90. And then we have here 70 over 90. And then after that, we have here 72 over 90. But of course, we are going to use the given. So therefore, we have to write the exact value of it. So 30 over 90 is 2 over 6. So therefore, 2 over 6 first. 45 over 90 is 1/2. So we have here 1/2. After 1/2, we have here 70 over 90. That's 7 over 9. And that is 72 over 90 is 4 over 5. So therefore, for ascending order, this is our answer. 2/6, 1/2, 7/9, and 4/5. Now, if we are going to have the descending order, this is what will it looks like. So we will be having the greatest is, this is the descending order. The greatest is 72, so that is 4/5. And then after 72 is 70, so that is 7/9. And then we have here 45, that is 1/2. Then for the least number, that is 30, and that is 2/6. So this is the descending order of number 3. So that is how you compare and order the similar fractions. So get the LCD first and then change the fractions to similar fractions by having this. And then after that, you have to arrange whether it is ascending or descending order. For ascending order, please have the least number first up to the greatest number. While for the descending order, please have the greatest number first up to the least number. So that's it for this topic. This is the last part of our topic for today. Thank you for listening. I hope that you have learned something up today about this topic. If you have inquiries about us, kindly message our FB page, which is the Honors Tutorial. Goodbye and God bless.